welcome to my planet. I got a few things to show you, so I'm gonna bend the camera down and I'm gonna show you. There's like, I'm gonna put 2 things every video. So, and yeah, see the lights? It's my new tanning salon. I just opened to my garage. You can lay here. Anybody wants to come over and lay naked, just make sure I'm not here because I don't want to see you naked. So here, put this down here. I got this a while ago, and look at him. Isn't it cute? Yeah. It is a little tiny oil can. See? I don't know if there's a name on it. Comes apart. It's made in who the hell knows where. Probably a machine shop somewhere. It's all copper. I like to know how they make these little tiny. I'd like to know how they make the little nozzles. See? It's pretty cool. It's like, I don't know if you can see inside, but it's clean as hell inside. I think I paid like $4 for it. Definitely, somebody did a nice job making it. It's cute. It's tiny. So anyway, that's one thing. I also picked up this number 9. Somebody with the letters FG or whatever. Number 9 BMC manufacturing wrench, because you know I need another one, but this one's got a really nice color, bright red. I don't see like this. Well, this one has a bright red, but see, I have this one. This is another number 9, but it's kind of sketchy looking. See, there's 2 of those. I got this is a number 7. See? I like these things. I like the round heads on them. This one's not so grippy, and I guess I could see why. This one's got a bigger chunk on the end. But yeah, this is a new one. It's got patina. It's got a little bent in here. Just see, they both got some age. Actually, look, see, they're pretty cool. I like these. These are my favorites. And I think that's it for now. And I'm gonna do another video because I'm not gonna put them all in one video. I like to give you guys some short videos and something to watch. So thanks for watching. Check all the folks on below. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and toodles. Adios, amigos. Where's my little button here?